Hey students, this is Mr. Briggs. I am not here today. I have a substitute. I am at a meeting in Madison with other tech ed teachers to learn how to be a better tech ed teacher. I expect us to get some work done today. Let's take a look at what we need to accomplish. So the very first thing that we're doing here is to check in our phone. Okay? So right over here is the phone check-in. Remember, the rule for my room is not the off and away policy. If you bring a phone into my room at all, okay, it gets checked in there. You get it back at the end of class. Now, substitute teacher, if the students have a phone out, obviously, refuse to put the phone in there, I leave it up to you to either call behavior support and have them help with that to get the phone checked in, or write their name down and I will be texting them, I'll be texting their parents to handle the phone situation. It is a policy of this class for safety reasons. Now that that's over with, let's take a look at the next thing we gotta do. Well, we gotta go to our assigned seat and we gotta open up our classroom assignment, and we are doing our, we are working on our marble run, okay? Our marble resistance maze thing. Most of you guys already have a lot of things set up. Most of you have already done the planning portion of this. Here on your slides should be a plan for what you're gonna do, how you're gonna build it. You're using paper, you're using a small amount of tape. Remember, we only have the 2 rolls for the whole class, so we want to go from a place of scarcity. We want to treat tape like it is a precious resource. We can get the extra paper from the tray that has the scissors and the paper and the tape in it. Remember, take just the tape you need, bring it back to your table, and use it there. Before you start building, double check that you have this thing in here, day 1 progress, that you have a picture of what you've done so far. That would have been the work that you did yesterday, and what you accomplished, and what you need to complete in order to have a working marble run. Then what you're going to do is you are going to be working. What work looks like. Work looks like you either planning, and planning is you have paper, you're discussing with your group members the project and how you're going to do it, or taping paper down. You have a role here, and it is to be working. Instructor, teacher, sub, I would like you to set a timer here. Make sure there's about 5 to 7 minutes of time to get things cleaned up. Now, on the subject of cleanup, every one of the tables has these fancy little cards on them, okay? And these fancy little cards tell you whose job it is to do what. That doesn't mean you can't help out. Please leave the room either as good or better than I found it, okay? All the materials, all of the slides, all the materials, all the scissors, all the paper and everything is neatly put away. You'll notice there is very little or nothing on the floor, okay? The last couple of minutes, what you're gonna do is you are going to make sure, we don't worry about the video yet, we'll handle the video when I get back, but make sure that you have a picture of what you've accomplished that day, your final sort of marble run, okay? So I'm hoping to get a good note from everybody. I'm hoping everybody works really hard. Have fun, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.